In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk unarchive contacts in Mailchimp. Whether you're managing a large mailing list or just trying to tidy up your audience, knowing how to efficiently unarchive contacts in bulk can make a big difference. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to Mailchimp. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Mailchimp homepage. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do that now by entering your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Mailchimp dashboard, which is the central hub for all your email marketing activities. Next, look for the Audience tab. You'll typically see it on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it. This section houses all your audience data, including the contacts you've archived. Navigating here is your first step toward managing your audience effectively. Once you're in the Audience section, you need to locate the three-dot menu. This icon is usually found in various places within digital interfaces as a way to access more options, and Mailchimp is no different. Find it and give it a click. After accessing the menu, you'll see an option labeled Archived Contacts. Click on this link. It will take you to a list of all the contacts you've archived in the past. This list is useful for viewing those contacts you're not currently engaging with, but might want to re-engage in the future. Now that you're viewing your archived contacts, it's time to decide which ones you want to unarchive. You have the flexibility to select individual contacts if you're looking to unarchive specific names. Alternatively, if you want to unarchive all the contacts in this list, you can choose the Unarchive All option. This feature is especially helpful if you've made a mistake in archiving or if you're planning a new campaign and need to reach out to everyone on your list. Remember, unarchiving contacts means they'll be returned to your active list, making them eligible to receive the communications you send out. It's an important step if you're aiming to reconnect with certain segments of your audience or if your marketing strategy has shifted. Once you've selected the contacts you wish to unarchive, confirm your selection. This action will move the selected contacts back to your main audience list, and they will be ready to receive your future email campaigns. And there you have it! You've successfully unarchived contacts in bulk on Mailchimp. Regularly reviewing and managing your list is a good practice to ensure that your audience data is up to date and aligned with your marketing goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out more videos for additional tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your email marketing efforts.